equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug the Rowenta Xplorer 20 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A soft cloth works well for this task. Regular cleaning can significantly improve the performance of your vacuum. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. With the bottom cover removed, locate the motor brush. It is typically situated near the motor assembly. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully detach the motor brush from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this step. Once the motor brush is removed, take your new motor brush and align it with the housing. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After securing the new motor brush, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the bottom cover back onto the unit, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are secure but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the plastic. Before you finish, take a moment to check that everything is in place. If you have any doubts, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about any further assistance you might need. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and turn it on to test the new motor brush. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything is functioning well, you've successfully replaced the motor brush on your Rowenta Xplorer 20. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to assist you with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.